The Constitution is pretty clear about what is supposed to happen now. When there is a vacancy on the Supreme Court, the President of the United States is to nominate someone. Historically, this has not been viewed as a question.
There are some who believe that the President, having won the election, should have complete authority to appoint his nominee. I disagree with this view. I believe firmly that the Constitution calls for the Senate to advise and consent.
Part of the problem that we have here is we've almost gotten accustomed to how obstructionist the Senate's become when it comes to nominations.
We should not confirm any Bush nominee to the Supreme Court except in extraordinary circumstances.
The duties of the United States Senate are set forth in the Constitution of the United States. Nowhere in that document does it say the Senate has a duty to give presidential nominees a vote.
If a Supreme Court justice resigns tomorrow or within the next several weeks, President Bush should consider following the practice of a majority of his predecessors and not name a nominee until after the November election is completed.
Some Democrats engage in a process of throwing sand in the gears of the confirmation process, and that's an approach that the president regrets.
We also want to make sure that the President is bound by the law, that he remains accountable to the people who put him there.